Welcome to another video. Today we'll take a look at 7 of the best foods that unclog your arteries naturally. These foods have been proven by scientific studies to reduce and even reverse the buildup of plaque. One of them is a fruit, another 2 are veggies, one is a herb, and another a seed. Can you guess what they are? The last 2 foods are in fact important nutrients found only in certain foods. So be sure you watch all the way to number 1. We'll also give you a 3-ingredient recipe for cleansing your arteries at the end. As always, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and does not construe medical advice. First, have you heard of the word atherosclerosis? It refers to the hardening of your arteries due to a buildup of plaque. Plaque is essentially a combination of cholesterol, fatty substances, cellular waste products, calcium, and fibrin, a protein in the blood that helps with clotting. When plaque clogs up your arteries, you are at risk for having a heart attack or stroke. Your doctor will probably recommend eating healthy and getting enough exercise. If you show signs of atherosclerosis, you will likely be given a prescription for a statin to lower your cholesterol or a fibrate to lower your triglyceride levels, along with a slew of other medications. While these medications can help control or treat atherosclerosis, many studies also show there are side effects. The good news is atherosclerosis is preventable and even reversible in some cases. You can take charge of your health starting today. Here are the 7 foods you'll want to eat more of to clean your arteries. These foods can not only prevent arterial plaque buildup, they may help unclog your arteries. Let's start with our number 7, garlic. Garlic is linked to treating or preventing at least 220 different health conditions or symptoms. But when it comes cardiovascular disease, the primary cause of death among people in industrialized countries, garlic is a true superstar. In fact, this pungent food's healing effects can even reduce the risk of stroke by more than 50%, according to one study. Next, how to clean your arteries with one fruit. Number 6, pomegranate. While not everyone is a fan of the pomegranate's slightly acidic yet wonderfully sweet taste, this fruit is masterful at removing plaque buildup, according to many studies. Rich in polyphenols, including tannins and anthocyanins, drinking pomegranate juice is even shown in one study to reduce arterial plaque by as much as 30%. It also lowers blood pressure and increases total antioxidant status, TAS, by 130%. Another study shows it can slow the oxidation that causes plaque buildup. Next, a local vegetable that's become popular around the world. Number 5, kimchi. There is no doubt fermented foods are good for your digestion and health. They contain numerous probiotics that promote a healthy gut, something researchers agree goes a long way to overall health. When it comes to heart health and atherosclerosis, kimchi, a traditional Korean dish made with fermented cabbage, is the perfect food to help slow arterial plaque buildup. In fact, a study has found that kimchi is actually better than a popular statin at preventing plaque buildup and lowering LDL cholesterol. Kimchi's high probiotic count also helps to destroy any harmful toxins and chemicals in your gut. These truly amazing friendly bacteria are shown in countless studies to prevent and treat the symptoms of over 200 different diseases. Next up, a tiny seed that's been used in folk medicine for thousands of years in Asia. Number 4, sesame seeds. The tiny seed has a distinctive taste and is chock full of vitamins and minerals, including copper and manganese. Sesame seeds also pack a healthy dose of iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, vitamin B1, zinc, molybdenum, selenium, and even fiber. The heart-healthy properties of sesame come from 2 amazing substances called sesamin and sesamolin. Known as lignans, they also have some potent cholesterol-lowering properties that can further help to prevent high blood pressure and even increase tissue levels of vitamin E. A study reveals that ingesting sesame seed oil every day for 45 days can naturally lower your blood pressure. Another study further found sesame oil can prevent atherosclerosis. Other research shows sesame can also protect your liver from oxidative damage. Remarkably, scientists even show this little eye seed is more effective than a popular medication for knee pain caused by arthritis. Not bad for a little seed. Our next miracle food is a popular favorite. Can you guess it? Number 3, turmeric. When it comes to spices for heart health, there is none better than turmeric. The active ingredient in this bright yellow spice is curcumin, an incredibly powerful polyphenol. If there was ever a miracle ingredient, turmeric would be it. When it comes to heart health, there are dozens of studies that clearly show how powerful is this cardioprotective spice. One study shows how turmeric can prevent the damage to arteries normally associated with blockages. Another shows a daily dose of curcumin can significantly improve the functional state of your blood vessels within just 2 months. Researchers conclude that taking curcumin assists a simple habit that decreases the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Next, a vitamin that helps keep your arteries clear and your blood flowing. Number 2, B vitamins. The B vitamins include B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, B6, pyridoxine, B7, biotin, B12, cobalamin, folic acid. Typically, you can get all of these in one B-complex vitamin, although these aren't your best bet for long-term health. Recently, researchers found that a naturally occurring amino acid called homocysteine is key in heart disease. High levels of homocysteine in your blood can damage your artery and make the blood clot more easily. This increases the risk of blood vessel blockages, which make you more susceptible to heart disease. Luckily, scientists also found that 3 of the B vitamins, folic acid, vitamin B12, and vitamin B6, are powerful combatants for heart disease. One study shows that 2.55 mg folic acid, 25 mg vitamin B6, and 0.5 mg vitamin B12, when taken for 1 year, can successfully lower homocysteine levels and reduce the thickness of the arteries. In addition, research shows that niacin and folic acid are also important for heart health. In short, B vitamins may help to lower the risk of heart disease. See the description below for a list of the best foods high in B vitamins. And finally, number 1, L-Arginine. The last natural powerhouse for reversing clogged arteries is the amino acid L-Arginine. L-Arginine is capable of preventing arterial thickening by as much as 24%, according to studies. Among other important health benefits, this potent amino acid is also known to fight inflammation, a huge factor in heart disease. L-Arginine also lowers your risk for arteriosclerosis and heart attack, repair blood vessels, fight congestive heart failure, CHF, and coronary artery disease, and even help to lower high blood pressure. L-Arginine has been found to be helpful for 158 different diseases, and is definitely something you should add to your list for natural ways to reverse clogged arteries. See the description below for a list of the best foods high in L-Arginine. This is just a small number of nature's amazing substances for helping to reduce your risk of heart disease. There are actually close to 300 natural substances known for heart health. Medications are not always the answer. A healthy diet and plenty of exercise, along with nature's medicines, can go a long way to keeping you and your heart healthy for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And now, over to you. Which is your favorite artery-cleansing food? Leave your comment below. Remember to access the free artery cleansing recipe we promised earlier in the video, and be sure to check out our other videos.